guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm showing you guys a braid out tutorial. So as you guys can tell, my hair is freshly washed, so I'm just going to start off by parting down the middle because that's where I want my part to be for my braid out. And so I'm just putting up half of my hair, and then I'm just going to section off the other half and split that part in half. So basically I'm having 4 parts. So first I'm starting off by using the Creme of Nature leave-in detangler, and as you guys can tell, it has a pretty thick consistency. So I'm just taking the back section and then just applying this leave-in conditioner all over the back section just to get some moisture and just to help me out a little bit with detangling. So now I'm just going to split my hair into a smaller section, and I'm taking the Carol's Daughter hair milk to apply this to that smaller section. And this product was actually pretty thick. It was really thick, so I just used a smaller amount of that product and I just applied it to that small section. And now I'm just taking a small tooth comb and I'm just detangling from the end to the root of my hair. So now I'm basically just braiding my hair all the way down. It's pretty much not a easier way to explain it than just taking 3 pieces and kind of just overlapping it. But if you guys want an in-depth video, I can do that for you guys. But at the end, I'm just kind of curling it just to have a little definition at the end of my braid. And I'm pretty much just doing the same thing to the other section. I'm just applying the hair milk, and then I'm just braiding my hair all the way down. I like to do it in 3 sections, so I split my hair into 4 sections, like 4 big sections, and then I kind of just split off that section and then split that off into 3 sections. So now I'm just doing the same thing to the top section, and I'm just applying my leave-in conditioner and then the Carol's Daughter hair milk, and then braiding my hair all the way down. So I'm just gonna let some music play so y'all can get the little vibe that I'm trying to go for. And yeah, just pretty much watch me do a little braid out of my hair until like the next clip. So I'll see you guys then.
Ryan Little.
Alright you guys, so I'm now finished braiding my hair, and this is what my braids are looking like. So I'm just gonna let them dry overnight. I think I let this sit in my hair for actually like 2 days, but I just make sure my braids are dry and looking good before I take them out. Alright you guys, so it's like 2 days-ish later and my braids are completely dry. So I'm just gonna put 1/2 of the braids up. And now I'm just basically taking the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Shine Mist, and I'm just rubbing this all throughout this section of my braids. And basically I kind of use this in replacement of like an oil because it has like a less hold and it gives me like really nice shine. So I'm just kind of like unbraiding my hair, and then I realized like all the braids are in the way, so I just put like the braids that I wasn't working on up, and then I just kind of like loosely untangle the braids that I am working on. And as you guys can tell, it really gave me a lot of definition when using those products. So those are kind of like my go-to products when I do my braid outs. And I don't know if I mentioned before, but I never really do braid outs in my hair. I always I'm a wash and go type of girl. So I was really happy with this braid out, and my first one that I did in like a long time. But yeah, I'm pretty much just unraveling the braids really softly and just trying to make sure I get as less frizz as possible. So this is what half of the section is looking like before I actually like go in and actually separate my braids. But my hair is really defined, and I don't know about y'all, but I was really happy with this because I don't know, I'm like plain Jane when it comes to my hair. I always do the same thing. So just to see that my hair can look really good in a different hairstyle, it kind of just shows me that I need to start stepping out the box more. So yeah, I was just really happy with it, and I'm just kind of like undetangling my hair and just really making sure I don't have any frizz. But honestly, I really didn't have that much frizz until like my day 3 hair of me having my braid outs, so that was pretty good. And yeah, so now I'm just kind of like actually separating my curls, and as you guys can tell, I just pull my hair out to stretch it out, and then I take smaller pieces and I just twist it around to kind of still give it that same definition. And I'm pretty much just doing the same thing throughout my entire head, just kind of filling those spaces and allow me to have a much more fuller and volumized hairstyle. So that's pretty much what I'm doing now, is just kind of separating my curls. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. This is what my hair is looking like. I'm really proud of myself with this hairstyle. My curls are defined. They're looking really good, really nice. I honestly have started doing braid outs a lot more often now since doing this hairstyle. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up, comment down below for more, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support, and thank you guys most importantly for watching this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Ryan Little.